Here I've got Huawei MatePad T8 and I'm going to show how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to move to the more advanced settings, which are in the right corner here. By tapping on this button we get access to it, and as you can see in general settings we have the location tags at the second position, so by tapping on this button we can turn it on. And when we do it for the first time we may get question to continue, go to settings and grant this app to locate permissions. So we have to go to the settings by tapping on this button, and we are in the app info here, and we have to tap on the permissions here. And as you can see we have denied the location permissions, so by tapping on this simply we can choose between allow all the time, allow only while in use, and deny. So I'm going to pick allow all the time to show you how it works. And as you can see we go again to the camera and this more advanced settings, and here we have the location tags, and by allowing our camera to get access to the locations we can by using this button for now do it by just one tapping and turn it off and turn it on easily like that. And now I'm going to take a picture to show you how it works. And to make it work, the important thing is that we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connect with the Wi-Fi for now. And now I'm connected. So I go back to the camera, and also we have to be connected with the location info of this device. So these two things are very important when we really want to save our location at the photo. And now I'm going to take a picture. And for now we go to the preview here. And by just and as you can see here we have the location tags. So greetings from Krakow, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.